Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante. Welcome back. Today we're going to go over GE Turbo Cool and Turbo Freeze. Now, other models or manufacturers have that. Today I'm just going to use a GE because it's a little bit simple. Everyone kind of has it. So what is Turbo Cool? What is Turbo Freeze? Now, if you just got all your groceries and you have your doors open for about 10 minutes, so you know you're loading everything up, you're letting in a lot of hot air or a lot of room temperature air into your fridge. Now, what Turbo Freeze or Turbo Cool does is after you're done loading your groceries in there, is it helps bring down that temperature. It doesn't speed it up, it doesn't make it cool down 3 degrees or 5 degrees faster. It's just pretty much kicking into high gear to allow those things to cool down and try to bring the temperature down a little bit faster so it saves your perishables. Obviously, the Turbo Cool is going to be on your fridge side. Hold it 3 seconds and that's going to initiate it. And the Turbo Freeze, same thing. Freezer side, hold for 3 seconds. It's going to kick it into that program. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back next week.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.